I am a success because of Job Corps.
Deisy Rodriguez earned her high school diploma and electrical certification at the Clearfield Job Corps Center in Utah in 2017. Her first 2 years, she worked for a power company and later FedEx. Then her old center called about a job opening.
Our technician called her and says, "Deisy, you should put in, we have an opening." And she was in a position in life where she said, I think I'll do that. And so she did.
Deisy saw an opportunity with this job to broaden her experience using a wide variety of maintenance skills.
He was the one that was like, just get into maintenance and try it out. It's rewarding because, you just don't do electrical, you get to work with motors, you get to work with all kinds of stuff. And that's where I actually learned most of the things I know now, being in maintenance, more than focused on one thing, so yeah.
Daisy's mature, disciplined, and focused on success.
Since left, she's bought a home, she's bought 3 cars. She has enough savings, she told me, to last her a year.
Therefore, a house, you're investing in it. You're investing that money into it. It's yours, once you pay it off.
But she says it was touch and go at the beginning.
I remember one of the counselors saying, give it a chance. Give this place a chance. So I was like, okay. I was like, no. I literally had tears out of my eyes, like, I don't want to stay here. You don't understand. My dad's like, no, if you don't want to stay, I'll come back for you that same day. And I was like, okay, Dad. And then, that counselor was like, just give it a chance. And I was like, okay. And then a chance turned into a week, and then a month, and then I was here for a year. So therefore, all I have to say to the students is give it a chance. That's all, because in the end, it was worth it for me, and I know it's going to be worth it for everybody else. Yeah.